I'm Bethany Casella. I'm the head grower at the MLK greenhouse. We grow everything, annuals and woody perennials for the Olmsted Parks.
Hi, I'm Sloan Dixon. I work for the city of Buffalo, and I'm the greenhouse assistant. I bought a new plant.
Hi, I'm Glennie Edgerton. I'm working here in greenhouse as a horticultural maintenance. So this is my avocado plants. Try to grow inside the greenhouse, and I love this also.
It's so
This
cute.
is so cute and sweet.
Hi, I'm Joey. I'm a horticultural assistant at BOPC, and I work in the circles. I work in the greenhouse here. We weed, we deadhead, get everything in order for things that need to go out. Yeah, it's great here.
Hello, my name's Seth. I'm also a horticulture assistant, and we pot all these flowers. We do flowers. My favorite flower here right now is the violet geraniums, and then also the sweet potato.
Geranium, just grab a bucket, and then this can get composted.
If someone was trying to summon you using a cauldron, what 3 items would they have to put into the cauldron for you to appear? My dog's hair, because it's everywhere. Husky Shepherd. Probably a plant like rosemary or lavender, one or the other.